Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test. Banggood have sent me another airliner. I don't know what it is about airliners at the moment. They love sending me these little things. I think this is really cute, probably good for, it's even smaller than some of the other airliners, foamy airliners that we've flown. This is a kind of a sub-micro version. Modelled on the 787 Dreamliner. Does look good. It comes as a kit actually. It doesn't come ready to fly out of the box. You do have to glue on the nacelles and the motors on the back, and the PCB comes on this board. You have to glue that in and plug in the wires into the PCB, but it doesn't take too long. It takes a few minutes to do that, and then you're ready to go. So there is a little bit of wind, so I'm just worried, you know, and obviously it doesn't have a huge amount of power. I'm just worried I'm going to launch it into wind and then we'll never see it again. But we're going to give it a go because it's such a lovely evening. Jason's on camera.
Hello.
It's got a gyro, which I wasn't expecting, but here we go. It's died down a bit now, it's good.
I think out of all of those that you've flown, that goes really nicely.
Yeah, it's good. I'm quite amazed actually how well this is flying in just that little bit of wind. Tight turns as well.
Do they have an elevator or is it all on thrust?
No, it's got an elevator.
Pretty clever.
And I was flying half throttle, that's full throttle.
That's it.
Loop it.
No, the gyro won't let you loop, and that's kind of typical of these models. Lots of fun. Hey! Yeah!
Well done.
That is, considering what, there's a 5 to 10 mile an hour wind and it's so small, it's a pretty agile little thing. So look it up on banggood.com, the link is in the video description. It doesn't cost a lot, you know, but in a haul it would be even better. I think it will turn quite tightly. So yeah, the link is in the video description. Look it up for the price. It's on banggood.com. Thanks for watching this one. You might want to subscribe to the Essential RC YouTube channel. We do lots of product flight tests and drive tests and all that type of stuff, and I'm going to be traveling to shows in the UK and Europe in the near future as well and covering those. So thanks for watching. See you next time.
they have an elevator or is it all on thrust?
No, it's got an elevator.
Pretty clever.
No, it's flying half throttle, that's full throttle.